Ever wondered how websites turn from plain text into stunning designs? Welcome to the magic of CSS.
CSS is the wizardry behind every sleek, eye-catching website. With just a sprinkle of code, CSS selectors target HTML elements, whether it's a button, an image, or a heading. Select them and let the magic begin. Meet the box model, the building block of web layout. Every element has padding, border, margin, and content.
With responsive design, your page adjusts to any screen size. Whether it's a phone, tablet, or desktop, CSS makes sure it looks great everywhere.
CSS animations let you add life to your web page, make buttons bounce, colors shift, and text appear with ease. Flexbox makes layout management a breeze. It helps align and space elements automatically, creating flawless designs every time. CSS is your ultimate tool to create stunning websites. Unlock endless possibilities with just a few lines of code. The web is your canvas.